Wondering if you need a digital resume? The answer is yes. Why? Because organisations are asking specifically for digital resumes in today's modern hiring landscape. They want more than just a PDF resume or your LinkedIn profile. They want to actually see who you are and how you can help them achieve their goals. Today's job market is tough. Let us help you stand out and land the career you're looking for with our top tips on how to use a digital resume in your job search strategy. Number 1, maintain a fresh and strong digital presence. Employers search the web and networking sites to sort through potential applicants based on their digital presence. Maintaining a strong digital presence calls attention to yourself as a candidate and quickly demonstrates your experience, skills, and goals. It also makes it much easier for you to network and then find job opportunities from your connections. This means you should keep your digital presence fresh with recent content, whether you're actively job searching or not. Put the work in ahead of time so that you're always prepared to hit the ground running. 2. Add your voice to your digital resume. A good job search strategy is about being noticed and standing out from other applicants. Utilising a digital resume allows you to speak directly to potential employers by making a quick but powerful introduction. Record a video or audio introduction for your digital resume to add a catchy personal touch. Verbal communication tends to better grasp viewers' attention in terms of perceived value because it engages more senses. Use this to your advantage and connect with your future employer before you ever get an interview. 3. Add your digital resume to your PDF resume. For many applicant systems, you will still need to upload or send a PDF resume. Use this as an opportunity to go the extra mile and include a link or QR code to your digital resume right on your PDF resume. This will entice employers to learn more about you and dig into your experience and qualifications. Consider also adding a URL to your digital resume on your email signature in your cover letter and a URL to your digital resume and portfolio on your social media profiles, particularly LinkedIn. You could also include a URL or QR code to your digital resume and portfolio on your business card. 4. Use your digital resume and portfolio to prepare for your interview. You got the interview, but you haven't yet landed the job. Well, you're in luck. Your digital resume also serves as a portfolio of your best work and accomplishments. Use this as a study guide to help answer interview questions with specific scenarios. Your portfolio will help you recall your past experiences and give you the opportunity to review the details, so you can easily bring these to the table during your interview. 5. Show samples of your work during a virtual interview. Virtual interviews are not ideal, but with the growing remote workforce, they are becoming more commonplace. Use screen sharing to your advantage. When the interviewer asks about your skills or accomplishments, simply ask if you can share your screen to show samples of your work. It's important to make sure the work that you're showing is relevant and that you talk through the work to directly answer the question. Making a lasting impression in a virtual setting is much more difficult than doing so in person. Utilise your digital resume as a means to make positive and complete introductions. 6. Share your passions and goals in your digital resume. The digital nature of a digital resume allows you to maintain a traditional professional resume presence whilst also projecting a more personable voice. You can add a page to your digital resume or portfolio that speaks to your background, interests and goals that will demonstrate who you are and whether you'd mesh with the company culture. The passion of a prospective employee is a deciding factor for recruiters. Employers want employees that love what they do because they're healthier, more productive, and stay longer. Use your digital resume to share this important personal side of your story. Thanks for joining us for our video on how to use your digital resume in your job search strategy. Hopefully, this information will help you land your dream job. If you have any questions or helpful tips of your own, please feel free to leave a comment below.